Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download Instagram Reels, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app, then go to this reel section. Once you have a reel that you would like to download, what you need to do is you need to go ahead, just pause on that and go ahead, tap on the share icon. When you do that, you should be able to find options at the bottom, and one of the options should be a download option right over here like that. Go ahead, tap on this download option, and you can say download reels cannot be used for commercial use. That's what it's gonna say, and you just need to wait for the downloading process to be done. You just have to wait for a while for that matter. Once it's done being downloaded, it will show the finished downloading. Then you're going to go ahead, I'm going to show you it's in my gallery. You can see the video has been downloaded in my gallery, and that's it, guys. All you have to do is go ahead, go to Instagram, go to reel section, find the video that you would like to download, tap on share icon and scroll, tap on download icon right over there, and you're good to go. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.